guys hear that? It's a peaceful sound. Alright guys, we're out at Camp Saratoga giving this a try here. I've got my sneakers on, but it really doesn't seem like there's any snow here, so this should be fine. I think guys, it's pretty chilly out. Started off with just my hat on, but we've got the full mask on now. I don't have my hand warmers in yet. We'll see if we need them or not. If I have to take my gloves off too many times, I probably will. Here you go. We've stumbled upon a fire tower here, or a tower. Don't think I'm going up there though. No, that's completely surrounded by a fence. So that's not happening. That would have been cool though. I'm going to stay off this because this is spring fed, very thin ice. Huh. Yeah, it looks like somebody went out there. Okay, there's Ruby the Subi over there. That was a good walk today. Alright guys, that was a cool trail. Went out on Camp Saratoga trails and part of another trail too with a farm. I can't remember the name of it right now. But it looks like there's quite a bit more trails that I could go on there. Yeah man, there's like trails all over the place. I'm coming back here. Yeah, there's definitely more to be had. I'm gonna have to check this out on investigate a little further here. I got myself all trails today. I'm not sure if I'm gonna. I did like it though, in the respect that it keeps really good track of everything you did. Take a picture, stuff like that. I like all the information on it, but it is $35 a year. I have 7 days to decide whether or not I'm going to stick with that. And I'm thinking maybe I will. And as I drive along this road here, there are trails everywhere. Looks like a short one. It's Amtrak. Woohoo! Moving right along. Wow. Cool beans. I once took the train across the country, man. From New York to, well, not all the way across the country, but all the way to Colorado, man. And that was so much fun. I want to do that again. Well, we're right next to Stewart's here, so we're going to go grab ourselves a coffee. Time to fill up again. We had one bright and early this morning, and I am ready for some more. And it's almost 1 o'clock, man. Wow. Where did today go? Took a nice long walk. Not that I went that far, but it took me a while. I think we did like 4.5 miles, but you know, it was like an hour and a half or a little bit longer of a walk because I was out in the woods. This is a different type of terrain. Alright guys, I made a little bit of a mistake here today. I did not bring my wallet with me. That's not good. But well, hopefully we don't get pulled over. But I do have some change, so yeah. That's how we're gonna purchase this coffee. That's big wheels on that baby. Wind is a whipping like it is every day. It does a lot of whipping lately. I think it's been windy every day since this new year started, and even before then. Yep. Plenty of wind these days. I said I was going to take that top off of Ben. I've kind of just been waiting for the wind to die down. That's going to be a beast to kind of wrap up there. But I'm starting to worry about getting mice into the van, and I just need to get in there and get going with things. But that's another story. I think what I'd like to do is get up into that woods today. But anyway, here we are. We're back home again. Can I get the name right? Harvey, how are you, brother? We're home. Good afternoon. Sun is shining. It feels really warm sitting in here in this car, and it just feels good out in it, but it's a cold day. It's not as cold though. It's 27 degrees out there. Woo! We are warming up. January weather, man. There we go. I took the top off of the van. The top. The top tarp. It's off. It's a good looking van, isn't it? It's a great looking van. And there's nothing wrong with it now. It is ready to rock and roll. I just gotta clean it up in there and put it on the market. Beautiful van, I tell you. And it is loaded, guys, loaded. Camper van ready to rock and roll. Yes, sirree. Why are you keeping it, Jack? Because I don't like diesel. I can't afford to take care of this thing. It's too much for me. You know, they're not easy to work on. And it's bound to have problems, even though it's completely fixed and ready to rock and roll right now. Things will happen, and I don't want to do it. So, whoever loves diesel, man, this is a great 7.3 liter 350, man. And this thing goes. Let me tell you what, there's no slowness or lack of power with this, that's for sure. All right, now I'm going to chop up this chunk of wood over here for the cubic mini wood stove. pieces of wood too big in the cubic mini. Does better when they're fairly small. Go. Now on to this. Alright guys, I am itching to get up in the woods, so we're gonna take a little walk. First one of 2025 and first one since last May. It's the last time we were up in the woods. I am excited to do this. Let's go. Don't have to worry about the ticks right now. That's good. Woohoo! It's so good to be up here at the top of the hill. I love this woods. It's like my own little woods. There's my chair over there. Used to love to just sit there and watch the sun go down. Trail looks good up here. Looks like we do have a new fallen tree right here. We can snag some wood from this. And again, maybe not. Yeah, this was not here before. That came down in one of these storms, I'm sure. Might be a little bit of trail work, but not much. I'm telling you. Looks pretty darn good up here. I love the sound of the wind in the trees, through the pines. You guys hear that? It's a peaceful sound. It's cold, especially when that wind blows, but I'm pretty bundled up. Yeah, up here we can still see the sun, whereas downhill where we're living in Harvey the RV, the sun is gone behind this hill here. It is so nice to be up here. Woohoo! Hello, Woods. Missed you. Good to see you. Glad that you're doing well. Well, there's much to explore out here. I think we'll wait for warmer days. I spent quite a bit of time outside today in the cold, the blustery cold. I suppose we could take back a couple branches of pine. Stuff is great right here. Great to get the fire going with. Alright guys, have a great afternoon, and peace, love, and understanding, man. Spread it all around the world because we need lots of it. Woo!